The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a tornado warning for northern Fayette County, northern Union County, Wayne County, until 11:45 p.m. At 11:06 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm that was likely producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 11 miles north of Bentonville, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Locations in the path of this storm include Cambridge City, Hagerstown, Connorsville, Fountain City, Liberty, Richmond. In addition, Felmond, Glenwood, Bentonville, Mount Auburn, Bunker Hill, East Germantown, Legions, and Meadowfield are in the path of this dangerous thunderstorm. If you are near the path of this storm, take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Mobile homes and vehicles should be abandoned for more substantial shelter. Avoid windows. Nighttime tornadoes are especially dangerous. If you wait until you see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. Please report tornadoes, funnel clouds, strong winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 4 a.m. Saturday morning for southeastern Indiana.